Hi everyone, my name is Andrea Wijaya. I'm studying management at Unisula Sultan Agung Islamic University, Semarang, Central Java, Indonesia. In this video, I am going to talk about digital is art. I created this content in order to accomplish my English tasks. This is the final project of English subject in this semester. So, I really hope that this everything will run just well. Also, I'm expecting the best result through this project. The topic given by my English lecturer is related to digital is art. So, before I'm telling you the points of my content in this video, let me briefly explain what digital HR is. HR itself is a term used for recruiting employers in companies. Usually, the task of human resources will always be related to the welfare of an employee. HR has various tasks, some of which include employee job training, conducting employee recruitment, and onboarding processes, as well as managing various company policies such as health benefits, employee benefits, and so on. Digital HR is a process optimization in which social, mobile, analytic, and cloud technologies are leveraged to make HR more efficient, effective, and connected. In other words, it's a tectonic shift in the way human resources function. The term digital HR refers to the digital transformation currently affecting the human resources industry at large, driven largely by advancement in data collection and analysis and in various technologies. With the existence of the digital device, the entire company's performance can run more effectively and efficiently. Each employee can also save more time and allocate it to work on other things that are no less important. Concerning which digital HR, I'm specifically going to talk about readiness of prospective employees in Indonesia in facing the era of Society 5.0. Digital society is a fundamental framework of thinking between human interaction and technology that aims to make life better. Indonesia is not ready to face this era. According to data taken from the Central Statistic Agency, the number of unemployed for the August 2020 period increased by 2.67 million people. Thus, the number of unemployed workers in Indonesia is 9.77 million people. This figure is already in the category of quiet alert, with a fairly high unemployment rate. It is not impossible for Indonesia to be difficult to adapt to the era of Society 5.0. The soaring unemployment rate that occurred in Indonesia could have happened because of the lack of competitiveness of Indonesian human resources. The government should evaluate and learning process from the lowest level to university level and change the existing curriculum and then adjust it to market needs. in order to create competitive human resources. However, the fact that today is the government is not educating and evaluating what is currently happening and what we will face. The government has not taken many steps in preparing competitive human resources for this era, so that graduates from education in Indonesia are less sought after and less desirable because they are not according to current market needs. In my opinion, digital HR must be applied to all companies in Indonesia in the face of this digitalization era because it will be more effective and efficient. But the government must improve its human resources first. Some of the benefits of digital HR are automation frees up time for the HR professional. Technology allows HR processes to become more efficient. Embracing technology allows HR to become more data-driven in many of its processes, and digital advance allow the company to adapt to a changing workforce. Based on the article that I read in indotelcom.com, digital HR is an in-work technology that leverages new knowledge in HR transaction and making intuitive, informed, and inspiring decisions, which will ultimately increase company effectiveness. In conclusion, by promoting transformation and digital HR, it is possible to understand how much technology can improve the workflow of the people throughout business and free up valuable time that can be dedicated to core activities. That is my argument about digital HR. Thank you for watching till end. If you have the counter argument, you may leave it in the comment section below. See you on the next video and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.